What's up, YouTube? Today I'll be going over how to switch the X and Y axis on a graph. I will be using the Office 365 version of Excel, so if you're running a different version, the directions might not be exactly the same, though they will probably be pretty similar. The example I have here assumes that the X and Y axis represent two different columns. So you can see that the first column here, price, is represented by the x-axis, and the second column, expected sales, is represented by the y-axis. For example, at $100 we make 30 sales, and at $400 we make 10 sales. So the price is the x-axis, the expected sales is the y-axis. The pattern to note here is that the first column is the x-axis and the second column is the y-axis. So the first column, x-axis, second column, y-axis. So all we have to do to switch these axes is switch the location of these columns. Once that's done, the graph will update. Now, I do recommend going about the switch in a specific way so that you don't lose any of your data. First, we'll copy the tab. Second, we'll switch the columns. Third, we'll delete the copied tab and be done. We want to copy the tab just in case something is messed up. That way you have a backup. To copy this tab, just right-click and select Move or Copy. Then check this box right here that says Create a Copy. Click OK, and you will notice that there is now a copy of the tab. There's even a quicker way of doing this. Let me just delete this tab real quick and I'll show you. Okay, so just press Control, then left click the tab you want to copy, then drag it over until you see this little paper icon with a plus symbol. Once you do, release the left click and the tab will be copied. Now let's select and copy the price column. Highlight the price column, press Control C to copy, then highlight the expected sales column where you want to paste it, and press Control V to paste. Okay, so the next step is going back to your backup tab and copying the expected cells. I will jump back to the original tab now and paste the cells into the x-axis. Take care of any formatting that needs to be done. And looks good. Just verify price is now on the y-axis. And cells are on the x-axis, and they're formatted correctly. Okay, so it looks good. Now the chart is updated, so I'm good to now just delete the backup tab. I no longer need it anymore. You can just do that by right-clicking it, delete. Great, now you're good to go.